Hello everyone. Welcome back to Meenu's Girly Talk. Today I'm again here in front of you to share one more easy thing to get ready. So today's topic is how to get ready for retro theme. When you are thinking about a retro party or one thing comes up in mind, what sort of clothes we should wear in retro party. It is not a big deal to select your clothes, your outfit to get ready for a retro theme. It is just should be perfect as per that retro time. First thing for the retro party is your clothes selection. वैसे तो retro theme के according you can wear anything whatever you want. It's up to you and you can carry that along with your face makeup, along with your face look. Whatever you have will go fine. You can choose any plain top and any slight printed top or polka dots. Polka dots are always the best evergreen. Whichever era it is, polka dots always work very well. So if you have anything in polka dots, it will go wonderfully well. Second thing, when you are choosing your dress, just be a bit careful if you can have like chicken leg sleeves, or maybe you can have something with the cuff sleeve, like the broad with the button on or with the cufflinks on. Or if you are choosing some dress and accompany that along with tying a ribbon in your neck, or a ribbon or a big bow on your head, that will go wonderfully well as per the theme of retro. Okay, also in the bottoms you can wear any jeans, you can wear any pant, you can wear any trouser, but if you have bell bottom, it will go wonderfully well in terms of the retro theme. So what I have here is I have this bell bottom pant, what I'm gonna wear today to match my look in the retro theme, and then got out with this polka dot shirt, which I believe it's going on perfect. It is having cuff at the end. It's not the broad cuff, but yeah, it's fine. It can go well, because in any ways it is all about to get a look all together with the makeup, accessories and rest all things. So I think it will go perfectly fine, because the main thing, ribbon kind of thingy in this, and after wearing a shirt, if I am tying it at the center, it will go perfect with my retro look. So that is the main reason that I have selected this shirt. Let's get ready with the clothes first and then start doing makeup. Now I'm ready with the clothes, and now let's start the makeup. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है कंसीलर. उसको आपको डार्क स्पेसेस पर लगाना है, और आप कंसीलर को अपने फिंगर की हेल्प से, या फिर अगर आप चाहें तो आप स्पॉन्ज से भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. इट्स अप टू यू, वट एवर वे यू आर फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल विद. वेल, आई हैव यूज्ड हियर बोथ एंड स्प्रेड इट इवनली on whole your face. Now I have taken foundation and applying it specifically on the darker area. Cheeks को बहुत ज़्यादा highlight नहीं करना है, और अपने neck पर भी मुझे apply करना है. You can also watch my other video for a quick makeup. There will be slightly difference because it was a quick thing. It's your comfort zone how you are going to spread your makeup on your face. Depend करता है the way you spread, plus आपके स्किन का टेक्सचर कैसा है. Sometimes, so if you have too much of pores on your skin, then don't go with the hand, always use sponge. But I don't prefer to do that, and luckily I don't have much large pores on my skin. Is going to be your eyebrows plays a very important role, so just highlight a bit. Now this is eyeshadow time. For eyeshadow, don't go with very bright color, don't go with blending of the color. It will look good, but it will not go with the retro theme. First I'm going to take here a bit of this shiny one, cover the circle. I'm doing slowly so you all can see this, and cover a bit up here. This is ready. Now on top of this I'm gonna apply a bit of red here just to match with my dress. Start from the corner. In the corner here, just kind of a bit triangle. So this and this. Start from here. Make a bit triangle here. This should be the color, not very much bright. Now next and main important thing is your eyelashes, because eyeshadow आपका थोड़ा light रहेगा, but main important role जो रहेगा that is for your eyelashes. This is the back of eyelashes. Okay, so herein you can see how you can choose the eyelashes and how you can identify how to remove them. You can see this edge, it will show you small lashes and then bigger. Small means that is the starting point of your lashes. Waist pack contains its own glue. Just take the glue out. I have this glue here. First of all, what you need to do, just apply this as a liner. Okay, here I'm gonna take help for the mirror. Sometimes glue contains brush, which is a lot more easy, but here what I have, it is stick. So just make sure edges you are covering in a well way. Quickly, here's the back. Take from edge. Always remove it from the plug. Don't use your finger for that. And be delicate, and it's done. Take this on your finger. As for the side, you're gonna apply this, and then simple. You can see the one is done. Other side, you have to be a bit clever while you're applying glue and while you are putting your lash on. But जब आप उसे एक दो बार कर लेंगे, you will feel it's completely fine and you would be able to do it easily. Reason why I applied my eyeshadow a bit early, because ये वाला eyeshadow मुझे बहुत dark नहीं लगाना था, तो I used my eyeshadow first and then I'll use my mascara and liner, everything later on after having my lashes on, which is easy. But if you have a highlighted eyeshadow, then please go for the lashes first and then eyeshadow and rest makeup then. Now just get your eyelash on. Keep it this way. Remove it. Removal should be very gentle. हल्का सा पीछे रखने के बाद hold stick. Stick the mirror down. See, like this. And then edge go. Stick like that. Just apply this. Simple. Now the next thing is mascara. जब आप mascara लगाएंगे तो ये blend हो जाएगा अच्छे तरीके से. Mascara is done. Now step is going to be liner. Eyes should be highlighted. Liner has to be broad enough. Retro makeup में आईज का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल है, तो आपको लाइनर बहुत ब्रॉड लगाना है. एंड देन दिस वे ये कवर करते हैं दूसरी तरफ से क्विकली। Now look and make it back. मैं जनरली नीचे नहीं लगाती हूँ, लेकिन जब आप इतना ऊपर डार्क लगाते हैं तो आपको नीचे लगाना कंपलसरी हो जाता है, नहीं तो फिर आपकी आंखें सुंदर नहीं दिखती हैं, अच्छी नहीं दिखेंगी। सो लेट्स अप्लाई एट द बॉटम एज वेल। मैंने इसको यहाँ पर ऊपर ले जाके मर्ज नहीं किया है, यहाँ पे रोका नहीं है। आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग इट असाइड। नाउ दिस इज माय आई मेकअप इज रेडी। Now, after eye makeup, I will give a little touch to my cheeks for blusher. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है। And here we go. Little bit of highlighter. देखिए मैंने चीक्स को बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट नहीं किया है। लिटिल ब्लश एंड लिटिल शाइनर, दैट्स इट। इससे ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। टाइम फॉर माय हेयर। ये सेट करने के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा जेल लगाया है। Now after hair, little touch of lipstick. As a final touch, I'm going to put my accessories and my necktie. And this is the final retro look. So take advantage for this video for your perfect retro look. Do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Soon I'm going to come up another exciting video. Till then, अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं। Sayonara.